a sense of respect of paramount degree. For one to be acknowledged in the brotherhood of police officers is not easy, as when one enters into other governmental agencies.
Today, we are witnessing our police officers imbued with a high sense of responsibility, discipline, and dedication to their chosen profession, law enforcement. Over the past months, this class had been a consistent personification of discipline, dedication, and commitment.
Isip mo'y litong-lito sa mga panahong nais mong malimot. Bakit bang bumabalakid ay ang iyong mundo ginagalawan? Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan, suliran, hindi mapigilan. Itanim mo lang sa iyong pusong kaya mo yan. Pagkabigot, alin lang ang gumugulo sa isipan. Mga pagsubok lamang yan, huwag mong itigil ang laban. Huwag mong isuko.
Being in this training made me realize that being a police officer is not an option. It is a choice. A decision that you have to make every day. If entering the vocation is just an option, I would have quit it just from the start. At first, I didn't think it was, but at the end of time through training, it became a choice, a passionate choice. A decision that I have to make every day, from simply waking up and joining the core activities, and continue to strive the goals in spite of the sacrifices, the challenges, and the inconveniences that I will encounter along the way. To the receiver, despite of the difficulties, unfinished what I have started. The privileges comes with weight of responsibility and accountability. To live with my fellow trainees is not easy because of the guidance and support of our snappy chiefs and mentors and classmates, it was handled snappily despite of the lapses that is beyond my control.
Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna, akin ang pangamba? Dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, na pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong
is the first hard decision that you have to make every day. Yung mag-join ka sa formation, reveille, accounting, nakatayo, pero tulog. This talent evolved among all of us recruits. Makarelax lang konti, makasandig sa pader, ilang segundo lang, tulog na. This training, you have to leave everything that we have used to. Itim ka, papayat ka, the training will really humble you. Truly that leadership is a struggle of winning supremacy over oneself. And then the training help you evolve to become the best version of yourself.